jiwa raga kami.
Indonesia is the most beautiful land in the universe. The land where we were born, the nation where we grew up. So many colors that live together in peace. With a million timeless treasures. With an abundance of natural wealth. Indonesia is not just wonderful. Indonesia is a wonderland.
On August 17, 1945, Indonesia declared its independence under the leadership of Sukarno and Muhammad Hatta in Jakarta. After years of Dutch and Japanese rule, the people united to gain freedom and build their own nation. True independence was recognized only in 1949. The day remains a symbol of courage and unity, celebrated every August 17th to honor the sacrifices of those who fought for Indonesia's freedom. After gaining full independence in 1949, Indonesia joined the United Nations on September 28, 1950, remarking its place in the international community. The country withdrew in 1965 due to a political dispute but rejoined in 1966 under President Suharto. The Indonesian traditional attire is rich in color and meaning. It features a patterned skirt made of batik or songket, gold finger accessories that shows elegance, and a headdress symbolizing power and integrity. Each detail reflects Indonesia's culture, artistry, and pride, often worn during festivals and important ceremonies to honor the nation's heritage.